The new building is really going to be woven into the curriculum and into the student experience.
I think the new building is really awesome.
The Zarb School is a place where learning and community connects.
I can't express how excited I am to see more students thrive in this environment.
It's a very collaborative space. It's close by to the professors, to the department heads.
I think the best spot is by far the Idea Hub.
The center is all about innovation, and innovation is a key competency for future business leaders.
As an entrepreneurship professor, our entrepreneurship center is right in the building. I can host my classes there.
More space, more conference rooms, it's a total change.
We have a 5,000 square foot incubator. Real businesses are working out of that incubator.
The mentor sessions that various entrepreneurs are going to be able to do in this new facility is going to be fantastic. All the equipment and the technology that their students are going to be able to use is really going to give them a leg up.
And then of course our behavioral lab, we're very excited about that. The technology in the lab is cutting edge and state-of-the-art.
I'll be using the Behavioral Research Lab to work on some of my research projects. One that I'm going to be using the eye tracking technology for is to look at how ambivalence influences attention to risk-related information.
I really like that the clubs get an area where we have our own spaces where we can meet the executive boards, the team members, everything that we have in my club. It's also an area where the students can collaborate as well, which I think is awesome.
Professional space, right, where we can bring these industry experts in from outside and kind of represent who we are here at the Zarb School.
It's a testament to our educational philosophy at Zarb and how to best create leaders of the future.
The building encourages collaboration. The building encourages innovation. It encourages communication between faculty and students.